video, we will try to insert an element in the list. For example, we want to insert an element 35 between the elements 30 and 40. So we can use a specific function, and the name of the function is insert function. So let us try. So we'll write down the name of the list first, spc list dot. Then you can see that there is an insert function. It takes two different parameters. One is the index position and other is the object. The first parameter is the index. Since we want to insert between 30 and 40, the index of 35 should be 0, 1, 2, 3. So it should be 3. And what we want to insert? 35. So then that is the command. Now let us check whether 35 has been inserted between 30 and 40. So it is there. Now we can see that the list has changed. It has rather increased in size. So how to check the total number of elements in a list? So we can write down this function, length, len, that is the short form of length, name of the list, and we can see 7.